Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to activate Disney gift card online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice and into the URL box type in disneygiftcard.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official website for Disney gift card. Also make sure to log into your account by entering your correct credentials, and once you are signed into the account, click on the My Cards option at the top of the screen. Now, scroll down and click on Add a Card, and then you can now enter your gift card information in the text boxes. Simply go ahead and enter your username in the first text box. After you are done typing in the card's nickname, go to the next field and type in the 16-digit account number available on your gift card. Now once you are done entering your account number, enter your EAN on the next field, which is located at the back of your gift card. After filling in all of the credentials, click on I'm not a robot and click on Add to My Cards in order to activate a Disney gift card online. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.